Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 3, that is your advanced features of word processor part 1. In this part we are going to discuss how to use format painter, superscript, subscript and shadow effect in a text. So let's start with this part. MS Word is a very versatile word processing software. We can create different types of documents using it and also format them. So Microsoft Word is a word processing software which is used to create different type of documents like table, shapes, graphs, etc. So what is the meaning of format? Formatting means changing and arranging text in a document to make it presentable and attractive. Whenever we are creating a document, we have to keep in our mind to make it presentable and attractive. So sometimes we need to format them to make it presentable and attractive. So next is your format painter. So let's see what is format painter. The format painter tool on the home tab is used to apply the same formatting like color, font style, font size and border style to multiple pieces of text or graphics. So in the previous class or in a standard 4 you already learned how to change the color of a text, font style of a text, font size of the text and how to apply border. All those things you learn in the standard 4. So in this class we are going to learn how to use the format painter. The user can copy all the formatting from one object and apply it to the other using the format. So in this part we are just going to discuss about the steps. In my next video I will practically show you how it works. So what is the first step? Select the text or graphics whose formatting needs to be copied. So first step is we have to select the text or graphic. Second step, click on the Format Painter button in the clipboard group on the Home tab. In the Home tab, we are having a group that is known as your clipboard group and we have to click on that. You will see that the pointer takes a shape of a brush. You know the painting brush? The pointer will changes to the painting brush. Apply the copied format by dragging the brush over the text which you want to format. When we drag the brush to the text we want to format, it will changes to the new text or the text will be applied using the format painter. So next step is you will notice that all the attributes of the previously formatted text are applied to the text that you selected with the format painter. So next is your applying superscript and subscript. Superscripts are the letters or digits that are shown a little above the normal or baseline. So example you can see k to the power 4. K is the normal or baseline and you can see the 4 is little above the baseline or normal line. So next is subscripts. Subscripts are the letter or digit shown a little below the normal or baseline. Here you can see the CO2 is the normal line or in the baseline and 2 is little below the normal line. So this is known as your superscript and this is known as your subscript. So let's see how to change to the superscript and the subscript. You have to follow some steps. So next is your superscript. So follow these steps to add superscript. First type K for any text you can type. Here where you are just taking the example of K4 and select the 4. First we have to type the text and select the number. Click on the font dialog box launcher on the home tab. We have to click on the font dialog box. You will see the font dialog box. Now you are able to see the font dialog box. select the superscript in the effect option. So we can choose the superscript from the effect option. Next is your click on the OK button. You will see that K4 will change to K to the power 4, where 4 is placed above the baseline. So another way is that superscripts can also be added by clicking on the superscript X square button in the font group of the home tab. I will show you practically that how to change to the superscript. So next is your subscript. Follow these steps to add a subscript. Type NO2 in the as previous. There we write K4. Here we have to write NO2 and select 2. Click on the font dialog box launcher on the home tab. You will see the font dialog box. Select the subscript in the effect option. Click on the OK button. You will see that NO2 will change to NO2, where 2 is placed below the baseline. Another way is subscript can also be added by clicking on the subscript button in the font group of the home tab. So next is your applying shadow effect. So what is shadow effect? A shadow effect gives you 3D look to the text. So what are the steps to add the shadow effect in the text? The first step is select the text on which shadow effect needs to be applied. First we have to select the text where we have to apply the shadow effect. Next step, click on the shadow button in the font group of the home tab. A lot of shadow format of different styles will appear and we have to choose one from them. Select on the shadow format of your choice. Your text will be displayed in that format. Thank you students. In my next video, I will practically show you that how these things are happens. Thank you.